Today on this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at Bontrager's new R3 tire. We're going to go over some of the features, designs, as well as the weight of this Bontrager R3 tire and talk about what Bontrager did to make this new 2020 R3 even better. But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button. That way you can see more videos like this into the future. With the tire out of the packaging, we get a chance to take a look at this new tire. So as we take a look, you can see that the tire is definitely a little bit different looking than the previous generation. And what Bontrager set out to do was to accomplish making the tire faster, longer lasting, and more resistant. And we'll get into some of the technology that they use to achieve that, but Bontrager claims that this is the best R3 tire yet. So basically the R3 sits in the upper echelon of Bontrager's road series. The R actually starts at R1 and goes all the way to an R4, which is a super high thread count, very fast rolling, like supple tire, but not super durable. And the R3 falls into the category of where it gets much of the fast rolling ability of those tires, but it is going to be able to be much more durable over the long haul. So this particular tire here is the R3 in a 700 by 25C. So these tires come in a 23, 25, or 28C in clincher format, and all tires run their new proprietary rubber compound called TR Speed, which is a fast rolling rubber compound. And then you'll notice on the shoulders of the tire, it's actually got a treaded shoulder, which doesn't reduce the speed of the tire, but it adds a little additional confidence into this tire. Now the tire is based first off on 120 TPI casing, so it's got a very soft and flexible casing. It then has their hard case Lite inside of here, which is their flat protection, and that flat protection that's on there, they claim, is 22% more resistant to flats compared to the old one, because the tire has a tighter weave on that hard case Lite protection. Now with the TR Speed rubber, it's going to allow the tire to be 7% faster compared to the old R3. And the other really interesting thing is they claim that the durability, the actual life of the rubber, should be 2 times as long, meaning this tire should have greater durability and lifespan on your bike than the previous generation by a long amount. Now, part of how they've been able to make this tire 7% faster is they call out the direction. So if you look at this tire, to you and I, this really looks like just a standard tire, and I don't even know why there would be a direction. But as it turns out, the weave of the casing, that 120 TPI casing that's on the inside, that makes a difference in what direction the tire goes. So Bontrager claims that they've done a bunch of testing, and over the course of testing, that the average difference is about 10% going forwards to backwards. And basically that means by being sure that even though this is a slick and doesn't have rubber indicating what direction to go in, the casing actually matters and the directional matters as well. So that's a pretty neat thing on this tire. And one of the other interesting things, so I was jumping on bicyclerollingresistance.com, and they haven't yet tested this, so I can't wait to find out actually how fast this is compared to the others. But I imagine this is going to compete really well against the GP 5000, against tires like the S-Works Turbo as well. And that's because Bontrager has obviously invested quite a bit into making sure that their tire is going to be fast rolling. So now that we've taken a look at the design of this tire, let's go ahead and get it mounted up onto a wheel, and we'll check out exactly how wide this tire is in the claimed 25mm width. The Bontrager R3 mounted on a 19.5mm wide internal rim is 26.15mm in width. And then when we place it on a scale, you'll see that the tire comes in at 209 grams. Well, thanks for watching this video on the Bontrager R3 tire. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. While you're at it, leave a comment down below. Can't wait to hear what you think about this tire, as well as hit that thumbs up button letting me know you enjoyed this video.